So let's recap the relationships between the classes. First of all, remember, the classes will become database tables in the entity framework. An entity framework will apply the relationships by using keys and foreign keys, basically placing a key of one class into another class. So the table book is directly linked with book author table. The ID of book will be in both of these tables, but the book table also contains a reference to book authors table and also review and book categories tables. Remember, even though these are just navigational properties, each member of the collection holds the same properties as the class it belongs to. So for example, the collection of reviews holds objects of type review, and review object contains an ID, headline, review text, and rating properties. So the relationships still can be associated by the IDs within the collections. Author class is also associated with the book author, but also has a single instance of country class. It's a single instance because one author can belong to only one country. Therefore, we have a collection of authors in the country class to indicate that many authors can be associated with a single country. Similar relationship is between review and reviewer, where review holds a single reviewer instance, but the reviewer holds a collection of reviews to indicate that one reviewer can write, of course, many reviews. And review also has one instance of a book because one review can be associated with a single book only. And finally, the relationship between category and book is done via intermediary table book category, which works on the same many-to-many relationship principles as the book author table does. So keep this handy because we will be referring to it explicitly and implicitly throughout the course. So now, let's create a database.